guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this little art kit with you guys because I'm super excited to unbox. That's why I'm not waiting, so let's unbox. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe to my channel because this video is gonna be full of fun. So let's see what is coming outside the box. Okay guys, now according to all the items I just showed you guys, please put the dark blue color on the palette and make a line according to the place how much you want to mix or color the whole dark blue with. Make sure to do it with one stroke, because if you do it with multiple strokes, with different types of strokes, the art will not be perfect and will look like a kabuki. That's what I always say if it looks very bad. Your art is a masterpiece, you should never ruin it. So always make sure to make one stroke, always. And if you think that your art is very bad, always use extra lightning. I'm adding the color directly because the palette is not working. So that's why. So sorry guys, but you guys, if you are a beginner, you can also do this because it's actually for beginners. But I'm not a beginner, I'm just doing for your guys information. The light blue color is the same color as the dark blue, so I'm going to be mixing a light blue with a little bit of white because the light blue is not that much light. So yeah. Oh, you guys, if you want to mix your art, always put some water on the last color you did on the edge and then add the next color below so that you can make it a perfect type of art. Like always, I have made a line for my art. This will be the perfect art you've ever seen, guys. So guys, stay till the end and watch. Another reminder, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It'll be very good. I will be giving away art supplies soon. Now we're going to add white plus a little bit of dark blue to make a very, very, very light shade of blue. I'm sure you guys cannot see it because it's a very, very light shade. Normally I do not do like this, but it's the most easiest way for a girl to do her art. This way, keep on doing it until you get to the last. Little trick that if you do not have black, you can mix dark blue and brown to make a nice color. But I do not have any
Pass for a date, you can come and be my babe, you can see.
Now to make the moon,
what a gentleman I am. What if we can plan it out?
I'm making the full moon because I don't have any other job to do.
Like
so
the
yeah.
golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a bee.
The full moon can be made by
Maybe
making
you
a
can
crescent
chill.
moon and
All the
connecting
stuff I
the
have
two
up
edges
in my
to each
head, I
other.
just just wanna do.
Then you
Maybe
can
if you
dab
come, then you can hang. You
some
can
wet
meet the crew.
white
We could even
paint
chill out at the
on
park
the
like we
paper
did in
like
school.
stars.
Take you back to
It's
when you was a
actually
kid.
true.
Everything
Very,
was
very
cool.
light. Now,
Hope you never
like
lose
I
track.
said,
Life's a
let's
little
make
hard
the
when you're not
dark
home, yeah.
color
Yeah, I've been gone and
black.
gone, but still on
But
my
at
own,
the end,
yeah.
I
I'm
will
a
do
soldier, I
something.
fight for
Spoiler,
what's
I
right,
am
so my
going
heart's
to be
just
adding
been
real
fighting
black
for
because
you.
I
What
realized
more
that
can
I
I
need
do?
black, so I'm gonna
I
add
just
black.
wanna put you in
So
a
sorry,
box like
guys.
some. Keep you to
Well,
myself,
guys,
you know I don't wanna share no options.
warning.
If I
Please
finally
do
tell
not
the
do
truth,
like what I did, because
then I'm telling
also
it
your
to
painting
you.
will be ruined,
What if
and
we
so
plan
will
it out?
mine. So, guys,
Cabo for
yeah.
a week, pass for a date, wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see.
And look at that
What
beautiful
a
masterpiece.
gentleman
I
am.
love it.
What if we could plan it
Guys,
out?
if you like this video so
Party
much,
in the
make sure to
streets,
like the video too.
like the
That will be
golden
very
days at
helpful
the
too.
beach. Family buzzing in my air like a bee. Maybe you could chill.
Now we are going to take a tissue paper and we're going to make a tree. So sorry guys, you cannot see the tree because I forgot to put the camera right beside it. So let's fast forward this. So sorry. This moon looks amazing. Now, since I have no other job to do, I have to do this. So yeah, please cope with me. I hope you guys like the stars, because the stars took me lots of thinking to make. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to mix brown and blue to make a light, like dark, very, very dark color. Guys, please do not try this at home because this color is not good.
Baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Different kind of blue.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like also because this will be a very, very good thing for me. Bye.
With you, I might lose all of me. Want you here, need your mind in the sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
Okay guys, now we are gonna make the tree, and after making the tree, please take any color you want, and white is compulsory for this because only the tree will look beautiful, or else this will not look nice. And then you gotta mix it with the white. Is it a cute or a fail, guys? So that you can start dabbing with the tissue that I asked you guys to bring earlier. After fully dabbing it, you will see a beautiful color mixture, and that will look like a tree. It's really, really beautiful, guys. So I hope you guys like it.
We can take this ride.
And guys, this is the tree that we have created. You can add any other color too, but mostly I would say only 2 colors for today. Dab it nicely after you added another color. And write your name. That's all you have to do. Writing your name will make it look even beautiful because everyone will know who made it. Hey guys, this is the drawing I made. I hope you guys like it very much and I hope it helped you guys because this is the most hardest sakura tree I have ever tried out before and this was first try. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!